Hi, kindergarten. Today you are going to be working on measuring the weights of different things. So you're going to be using your balancing scale to see what things are heavier and what things are lighter. I'm going to show you a video of this man right here because I don't have my scale with me. I gave them all to you. So he's going to help show you what these scales do and how they're important. All right, here we go.
Mean.
Here we go.
Hello, students. I'm Mr. Hammer. Today, we're going to compare the weight of objects using a balance scale. Let's get started. Here is a picture of the materials you'll need for today's lesson. You can pause the video and find your lighter or heavier recording sheet now. And then you're ready to start the lesson. Let's start today's lesson with the application problem. Ready? I'm going to put a sentence on the screen. This sentence says, I am lighter than blank, but I am heavier than blank. Take out a piece of paper and a pencil. Your job is to draw two pictures that make this sentence true for you. I am lighter than blank, but I am heavier than blank. What are you lighter than? What are you heavier than? Pause your video and draw those two pictures now. I bet you have some awesome pictures that show what you are lighter than and what you are heavier than. Turn to your friend or partner at home and tell them what you drew. Make sure you use the words lighter than and heavier than when you show them your pictures. If you need more time to tell your friend about your pictures, you can pause the video now. Okay, I was listening to my friends over here as they showed me their pictures. One of my friends said, I am lighter than an elephant. Yes, my friend is lighter than an elephant. Elephants are huge and really heavy. But my friend said, I am heavier than a squirrel. Yes, my friend over here is heavier than a squirrel. We know from our application problem that an elephant is heavier than a squirrel. Sometimes when we are comparing the weight of two objects, it is hard to tell which one is heavier and which one is lighter because they are almost the same weight. Turn to your friend. Can you think of two objects that are almost the same weight? I listened to my friends over here, and one of my friends said, this marker is about the same weight as this glue stick. When I put them in my hands, it is really hard to tell which one is heavier and which one is lighter. We have a special tool that helps us figure out which object is heavier and which is lighter when we have two objects that are really close in weight. This is called a balance scale. Say that with me. Balance scale. All right, let's see how it works. I have a cotton ball and an eraser. If I put the eraser in this side of the balance and the cotton ball in this side of the balance, What do you think will happen? Tell your friend or partner at home. I listened to my friends over here, and my friend said, well, the heavier side will go down. One of my other friends said, the eraser is heavier, so that side will go down. Let's see what happens. Here's the eraser. Here's the cotton ball. What happened? Use the words lighter than or heavier than to tell your friend what happened. Yes, the eraser is heavier than the cotton ball. The cotton ball is lighter than the eraser. Yes, the side that is heavier goes down. The eraser is heavier, so that side went down. Awesome. Let's enter this on our recording sheet. Take out your lighter or heavier recording sheet and make sure you have a pencil. We compared the weight of an eraser and a cotton ball. The eraser is heavier than the cotton ball because the eraser weighed the balance scale down. Let's draw our objects in our table to show that the cotton ball is lighter than the eraser. I'll do it too. You can pause the video if you need more time to draw your cotton ball and eraser. Let's compare the weight of two more objects. This time I have an apple and a lemon. Tell your friend, which object is heavier? All right, let's test your guess. I'll put the lemon in first. Now the apple. Use a sentence and tell your friend what happened. Yes, my friend over here said, the apple is heavier than the lemon. My other friend said, the lemon is lighter than the apple. Let's draw that on our recording sheet. We just compared the weight of an apple and a lemon. Which one was heavier? Think. Say it. Yes, the apple is heavier than the lemon. I'll put the lemon over here. Pause your video and draw the lemon and the apple on your lighter or heavier recording sheet.
All right, kindergarten, you did an awesome job. And guess what? The other two spaces on this page, and remember it's on page 49, you're going to get to measure things yourself and figure out which is lighter, which is heavier. You can use all sorts of things. You could use crayons, pencils, you could use different things that you find. You could use yarn, but just fill out the other two of these sections yourself. All right, see you in class, kindergarten. Bye.